What's up, everybody? It's Sam Hostin here, and welcome back to the channel. And welcome to 2024. Yeah, you heard me, I said 2024. It's because the videos you've been seeing in January of this year is the last year's video. I haven't had the time to post any videos yet, but this is like my very first video for 2024. And I have here my Jenny. So I want to show you guys on how to service uh, and how to just clean up some carbons and some dirt. So yeah, and today is February 12th. Yeah, February 12th, and yesterday was the Super Bowl. Oh, the halftime show, Usher's performance. I love it. I love Usher's performance. It's well. That being said, let's get back to the video and yeah, let's get back to the video. If I remember anything, I'm just gonna include it in the video. So let's get started. So what we are doing here, it's pretty simple. So we're gonna clean this carburetor and then just do some stuffs. So let's get started. This is a different type of setup, so your own generator might be different from this. So just to let you know. All right, so just gonna remove this, and this is like the filter. So see, it's all messed up, and yeah. So I have my tool here. We're gonna use it. Just move that out of the way, and yeah, it's pretty hard, but we're doing it. That's why we're going to the gym. All right, let's get out of the way. Let's keep everything together so we don't kind of miss it. So, and let's get this second one out of the way. So yeah, that is out of the way. Get this out, and voila. So we're just gonna, this is the carburetor, we're just gonna remove this out. We're gonna be careful though. You don't wanna, there's one link here, you don't wanna get damaged, so just be careful with that. So, and we get this removed. They are very important. Without them, let's just say the generator won't work well. So let's just be careful with that. Be very, very careful. There we go. So now it's removed. And what we do next is to get this also removed, because we're gonna clean everything. You can see my hands, it's getting messy already. And we're gonna remove this spark plug. So yeah, the extra fuel is dripping from there. So you might be wondering what is dripping. It's the fuel that's dripping from there. So we're gonna use this to get something. So just get it open or lose it. It's quite hard, but not that hard. Okay, it's out. You can see It's quite but you can still use this. But if you don't want to, you can just get it replaced. That is, if you have another one. But you can still get this cleaned and get it replaced. So we're just gonna put everything in just one place. So and we're gonna get it cleaned later. So all right, let's open this bad boy. All right, it's quite hard. So we're just gonna remove this. All this we're getting it cleaned. So I have fuel here already, or shall I say petrol, whatever you want to call it. So we're just gonna dip everything inside except for this. We're just gonna clean this. We're not gonna dip it inside. So everything is kind of messy right now. We're just gonna do some cleaning, just to get all the carbons and dirt away from it. Yeah, smells like fuel. So just to get it cleaned and nothing much. See, my hands is clean because of the fuel. So that's it. We're just gonna set it to the ground to just let it dry off, and we're picking this, squeeze out the excess. Just do it like that repeatedly, just to wash away the oil and the dirt. And just get it clean. Tap it a little bit. Just set it here, just to let it dry. And I'm gonna clean the carburetor. So because of time, because it's gonna take a while, and to show all that in the video might be not so much interesting for you guys. So this carburetor, I'm gonna remove it and clean it. So that's just really what we're gonna do. And over here, as you come over here, you can see the oil residue. This shouldn't be this way. It should be clean, free from oil. So we're just gonna clean away the excess oil, just get it dried, and that's all. You can see the rust there because of the environment where we are. It's a bit salty. We are living on the island, so it's what is causing all the rust anyway, but doesn't matter. Just gonna get it cleaned up, and yeah. So I'm just gonna, the next scene you're gonna see now, it's everything being cleaned. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I'm done cleaning the all the necessary parts that needs cleaning. So like I said concerning the spark plug the other time, if you look at it, you see it's a bit cleaned all here. It might look like it's not working, but it is working. So it's cleaned. So I'm just gonna fix that back now. I'm gonna fix that back so we can start putting everything back, and see if everything is working perfectly. Because when an engine needs servicing, it's gonna start sounding tired, fatigued, sounding like it's not working properly. So now when we are done, we're gonna see if everything is the way it is. So that is, sorry, Just gonna get that out of the way. That is solved. And next, there you are. See, it's all cleaned, no oil. So we're just gonna fix this back. Might take a little bit of workout, but it will fit in. There. All right. Okay, so I'm done with that side. So this is the carburetor. It's all cleaned now. Cleaned everything away. I've chipped away all the carbon residues. So I'm just gonna fix it back now. So we're gonna put this back in just the way it was. We're gonna be careful with this very tiny spring thing. Okay, so that is out of the way. We're just gonna get it back. Easy does it. Okay, we're just gonna put a little bit energy into it. Okay, it's there now. So what next on the list? Gonna put all this. Gonna be easy with it. We don't want to mess anything up. So that's there. We're just gonna put it, and we're just gonna lock that. That is locked, and that's it. So that's just the complete setup on how to clean the stuff. And yeah, let's not forget, I use this for it, which is this 20W50 is what I use, and this is 5 liters. It takes about 2 liters to fill it up, the oil. So we're just gonna come right here and get it filled up. Let me get out of the way. So in case you're wondering, I've already drained off the bad oil, so I'm just gonna put this new one in now. See, it's empty, so I'm just gonna fill it up. Let's get that out of the way. See, it's new. Just gonna pull this and tear it off. Gonna wait for that to go in. Satisfying, isn't it? Okay. Just gonna put a little bit in it, and then we'll check the level. Okay. With this now, I filled up the oil, cleaned up the carbon residue, and it looks all clean. So we're just gonna on it now. So if you're using an earpiece, so just reduce the volume because it might get a little bit loud. So just gonna open the fuel from there, and then we're gonna it's pretty nice, isn't it? It starts very fine and it sounds okay. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of rev now. Woo. See, it's pretty easy. It's pretty fine. So that's how to clean the generator, clean the carburetor, and just normal regular servicing. So that's how to do it. And yeah, that'll be it. So be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. This might help a lot of people. There are some dogs around, so you can bear with me. I'm not the owner of the dogs anyway, my neighbors. But so this is how to do simple DIY. I say DUI. I don't know why I said that. DIY videos on how to service the generator. So it's pretty easy. So like I said, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you want to be seeing something like this, let me know in the comment section below. And hope you guys enjoy the Super Bowl halftime like I did. So somewhere, someplace, I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.